Hi everyone, this is Mark of TechPinas. Join me in my quick unboxing and initial setup of the all-new Realme C3 Android smartphone, which is the newest entry-level handset of Realme here in the Philippines. So currently, or as of making this video, I won't be able to give you the exact SRP of this model, but expect it to be priced below the Realme 5i, which has slightly better technical specifications than this one. I should be able to give you the pricing information on March 5, and I'll be updating the video description below to give you just that. Okay, so for those who are interested, join me. Let's go! Okay, so before I show you the packaging, let's remove the plastic outer cover first. Need this. Okay, so as you can see, what I have here is the version with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. Carefully. Okay, there goes this. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, the Realme C3 comes in this orange box, which is almost the same as that of the Realme 5i. So this is the same design identity as regards the packaging. So the color is orange, but it is really closer to yellow orange, and that's the corporate hue or the corporate color of Realme. So as you can see, on top we have the name of the phone, C3, and we have the Realme branding here. On the side, we have Realme C3, same as on this side. Nothing at the bottom, and on top we have the Realme logo. Okay, and at the bottom we have the 4 key features of the Realme C3. So we have the AI triple camera, the 5000 milliamp hours massive battery, the 6.5-inch full screen display, and the Helio G70 processor. My model is the frozen blue variant. Okay, so now let's lift the cover to check out all the items inside. And there you have it here. And we have this paper sleeve which welcomes us. It says, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." Nice, very welcoming indeed. And if we open this, we have "Let's embrace a new journey," and then we have the pin for ejecting the SIM card tray. Here, let's keep that. And here we have the quick guide or the user manual, which gives you very concise and easy to understand information about the handset. Okay, you have the location of the front-facing camera as well as the volume key and the power key. Here we have the full technical specifications of this phone. There. So later I'll give you a quick rundown of all the specs. So if you have time, read this. This is the important information guide, which gives you safety information among other details. Here we have the battery precautions when in use. Again, if you have time, I suggest that you read that. And here, as you can see, in its cradle, we have the phone itself. So there's a tab here. Just pull on it to lift the phone. So there you go, that's the unit. That's the Realme C3. So later I'll remove the plastic cover and show you the design, but for now let's finish the unboxing first. Okay, lift this, and here we have the charging cable. So this phone has a micro USB 2.0 port, and this cord supports that. And finally, we have the travel charger. So this travel charger supports 2A output. My review unit didn't come with a pair of earphones. I'm not sure if the retail package will have that, but if not, you can always get a pair from Realme. They have very affordable wired and wireless earphones that you can use with this phone. Okay, so this is my complete review unit package. You have the Realme C3 phone itself, the user guide, the security information. You have this pin for ejecting the SIM card tray, the charging cable, and the travel charger. Okay, so now let's remove the plastic cover so I can show you the design of the phone and also to give you a rundown of its technical specifications. Here, you can see there. Wow, it looks nice. So again, what I have here is the Realme C3 in frozen blue. Looks great, right? Actually, this design language is similar to that of Realme 5i. So this is a textured finish, and I think Realme calls this the sunrise design identity. So you have micro lines in circular patterns, which give you this sun rays look. I think it's beautiful. And with this color, it gives you this icy aquamarine look, which I think young consumers will really like. So this is the face of the phone. Later, we'll turn it on and set it up. And here we have the front-facing camera. I believe this is a 5 megapixel f2.4 selfie cam. And this can also shoot full HD videos at 30 frames per second. On the right side, we have the power button, and on the left side, we have the volume up and down keys, and here we have the SIM card tray. To eject that, let's use this pin to see how many slots are there. So there you go. You have 2 slots for your nano SIM cards and a dedicated micro SD card slot. So you won't have to sacrifice dual SIM capability just to get more storage space. So here at the back, we have the triple rear camera module. The most powerful one is a 12 megapixel shooter with f1.8 aperture, which is the best of the bunch in terms of low light performance and also in terms of the sensor size and the wideness of aperture. Then we have the 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, which enables portrait mode. And here at the bottom, we have the loudspeaker, the micro USB 2.0 port, the microphone for your calls and also for recording your voice, and the 3.5mm audio jack. Nothing at the top, it's clean. And there. Now we're ready to turn on the Realme C3, and we do that by long pressing the power button. Go. Realme. Powered by Android. That's the Realme logo. So let's complete the setup. Select language. English, United States has been pre-chosen. Next. Select region, scroll down and look for Philippines. Next. So for the terms of service, let's just agree to the user agreement and agree to help us improve the services we provide to you by participating in the user experience program. Okay, again, if you have time, read that, but for now, let's just click next. Connect to Wi-Fi. So I'll just do that. Wait. Once connected to Wi-Fi, we can continue. You may turn on Wi-Fi Assistant, which automatically selects the best Wi-Fi network. And here you can auto switch to cellular network. So I won't turn that on because I want to do this manually. Next. The phone will check for software upgrades or software updates. So it doesn't have any. And here, if you have an older phone, you can copy apps and data from that to this phone. So for now, I won't copy. Okay, so access your assistant with your voice. I agree. So adding finishing touches. Here we can set up our lock screen password. Settings. Choose the password here. Here we can choose to auto update overnight, or we can also turn this off and just upgrade manually. Next, here we can pick how the home screen icons would look. So there's the default. This is material style, pebble, and custom. We can create our own, but I'm just gonna choose default. So this is the Realme UI style. Okay, next. Here we can import our data from our older Android smartphone or handset to our new Realme C3. So I'm just gonna do this later. Realme has its own app market, and from there you can install some of your favorite applications. So this is an alternative to Google Play Store. So for now, I'm just gonna skip this. And there you go. So welcome. This is the Realme UI. Get started. Okay, so this is how the user interface looks. This is Realme UI 1.0 on top of Android 10 operating system. The notifications panel with the quick access buttons here for your connectivity. This is how it looks. Swipe up. This is the app drawer. So these are all the pre-installed applications. You can delete some of them if you want to free up space. Realme gives you access to Google services. So here you have the Play Store. So from here you can download your favorite games like Mobile Legends or applications like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also Twitter. So this gives you access to new games, for example, like Marvel Super Wars, which is starting to become very popular here in the Philippines. Also Adorable Home, one of the top games currently, and of course, Pokemon Go. Let's go to settings. So this is how the settings look. About phone. There you go. So here you see the complete information about the Realme C3. So this handset is actually powered by the 12nm MediaTek Helio G70 processor, which is an octa-core processor. My unit has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. And if you look here, you will see that you have a total of 19.5 gigs of available storage upon first use, so after the initial setup. So again, you can free up more space by deleting some pre-installed applications that you don't really use. Realme C3 features a 6.5-inch HD+, so that's 720 by 1600 IPS display panel that's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. So this phone already comes with a pre-installed screen protector. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but there's already a pre-installed one, so you won't have to purchase it separately. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this phone has a fingerprint scanner that's rear mounted, so no in-display fingerprint scanner on this one, which is understandable because this is an entry-level release. For me, one of the best and most useful features of the Realme C3 is its very large 5000 mAh battery pack, which easily delivers more than a whole day of uptime with regular use.
This should also be the favorite feature of mobile gamers and heavy users who want to get extended uptime from their handsets. If you hate always charging your smartphone in the middle of the day in the office or in school, or if you just don't like carrying a power bank with you at all times, this big battery pack should provide a great solution, giving you peace of mind.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching. That's it for now. Don't forget to visit techpinas.com for more information about the Realme C3. Also, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the TechPinas YouTube channel. See you again soon!